Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. My name is Seyir Terası from Volkan Yatırım Company. In this video, we are going to show you totally private, independent 5+2 rental terra villa, which has beautiful sea view, beautiful nature view, as well as furniture, which is located on behind me. So let's get started. Okay, right now we are located in front yard of the house. Really everything is beautiful. Here is the exterior of the house. We can see a beautiful grass area on the left side, on the right side of me. Very beautiful landscaping was designed, very green area. Of course, right over here we can see a beautiful table, wooden table. In the morning you can have your breakfast, in the evening you can eat your dinner in this beautiful place. Also there is a walking path that's located around of this beautiful garden. Even from your garden you have a very beautiful city view, very nice sea view. At the same time it has amazing nature view from all angles. This villa is really perfect with its beautiful nature and clear air. Now we are in outside entrance of the villa. As you can see, there is a driveway leading you to entrance of the house, and right over here we can see a large space. You can store 2 cars on this place. Now let's see our villa. Welcome inside everyone. Here is the interior of the house. As you can see, everything is really perfect. As you walk in the home, there is an entree is welcoming us. On the right side we can see a beautiful cloakroom, very huge, very big. And as keep continue, we can see a beautiful living room. The important detail about this beautiful villa, the ground is wooden, natural wooden. The door is natural wooden. This is really perfect. And right over here we can see a television and formal dinner table. And here we can see a sofa, beautiful sofa. And right over here we can see a beautiful fireplace. It looks really gorgeous, very nice. Let's keep continuing our tour. In here there is a kitchen, very beautiful. As you can see, beautiful spot lamp, beautiful kitchen cabinet. Everything is very modern. And here there is a nice large balcony. From your balcony you have nature and city view. Okay, continuing our tour. This floor is really very large. Right over here there is a bedroom. In this bedroom you have bed. You see store is very nice. Right next to this bedroom we have a bathroom. This ceramic is really very quality, very nice. Mirror, sink, WC and shower cabin are available in this bathroom. Okay, continuing our tour, there is a staircase further taking you to upside level 2. Let's see. Now we are located in second floor. In this floor there are 2 bedrooms, one of them master room, and we have a nice bathroom and balcony. At the same time, as you can see, there is a big space welcoming us as you come in the second floor. Now let's see the master room. This is master room, around 30 square meters in the total, and we have a ensuite bathroom, really very large. The ceramic is quality. You have shower cabin, WC and sink in this ensuite bathroom. Continuing our tour, right over here we can see a beautiful balcony, large balcony. From your balcony you have nature view, city view, at the same time sea view. Right over here we have another bedroom, really large bedroom. Your bed is available, cloakroom is available. And we can find another bedroom, small bedroom you can use for your kids or reading room. Right next to this bedroom we have, of course, a bathroom. Very quality. Sink is available, WC is available, and shower cabin is available. Okay, continuing our tour. Yes, you can see a sofa located here. And actually you can sit on your balcony, very relaxed mood. No one can see you from the outside, from the anywhere. Okay, continuing our tour, there is a staircase further taking you to roof. Let's see it. Now we are in the level 3. Everything is perfect. The ground is totally natural wooden. The roof was laid natural wooden. As you can see, really everything is very nice. As you can see, there is a bed in this place. Right over there we can see a beautiful bathroom, very large bathroom. Inside of the bathroom, sink, WC and shower cabin are available. I wanna thank you guys to show this beautiful balcony and gorgeous terrace. Let's see it. This is our balcony. You see everything is perfect. You have very nice sea view, nature view and city view. At the same time you can feel very clear air from your balcony. Now we are in the a beautiful, amazing terrace, and this terrace was covered with glass. It's really gorgeous. In the terrace you have sofa and armchair at the same time. 2 coffee table is available in this terrace. Really perfect. From your terrace you can watch sea view, nature view and beautiful sea view. Today we have showed you a beautiful, total private, independent, detached house which has beautiful sea view, city view and nature view. At the same time, it is located right in the middle of the nature. It is located very nice place. As location, it is very close to main road, seaside. At the same time, it is very close to center of the TRABZON, 1 kilometer to seaside and main road, and it takes 4 kilometers to AKÇAABAT Centrum. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another new video. All the best.